Today I am doing an unboxing of Dia & Co.'s styling service. Hi everyone, I'm Nikki and I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. So I'm finally giving Dia & Co. a try. I really learned a lot more about what the styling service has to offer when they had a booth at the 2017 CurvyCon in New York City during Fashion Week. So I was able to take the time, learn a little bit more about how the styling service works, that it's not necessarily a subscription box, but more that you work with a stylist. They get an idea of what your clothing preferences may be and what you're looking to get out of the box. You get the box, um, and then you get to try on and review the clothing pieces that they picked out for you. Not just clothing, but there's also accessories. You get to try them out. You have 5 days to do that, determine if you want to keep them or not. And then the items that you do want to keep, you purchase them, and those that you don't, you just send them back. So, like I said, this is the box that it comes in. And when you open it up, inside is a letter, like a welcome letter from Dia & Co. So there's it's really cute paper. It's a welcome letter. It says, I found some gorgeous dresses that I hope you love, and kind of describes what kind of clothing pieces they're providing. And it looks like my stylist is Katie. So, and the other paper is this paper that kind of describes each piece, and if I were to purchase each piece, what the cost would be individually. And there is a credit or a discount if you were to purchase all of the items at once. So everything that's in this box, it looks like there are 5 items in total in this box. If I were to purchase the whole box, or all the items combined, the total cost of all the items is $366. If I were to purchase everything, you do get a 25% discount. So if I were to purchase everything, minus the discount, minus the $20 styling fee, that's how much the box costs. You pay that styling fee, and that gets credited to whatever you purchase. So after all the discounts, the whole box would cost $254.50. Honestly, that's a bit more than my budget. So we'll see kind of what's inside the box and what works and what doesn't work. So the other thing that's inside the box is a prepaid mailer, and this is what I would send everything back to Dia & Co., the items that I'm not going to purchase. And then there it is, like a really cute wrapping of Dia & Co. I really like this inside purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors, and so I think that's really cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the unboxing, and then I'll do a try on of the clothes and then give you a quick review. Yeah, okay, let's get to it. The Dia & Co. box is presented really well. I like the light purple. It's very cute. Inside my box, I had 5 items. This Bobo sheer double layer tank top in, the dark blue. Very cute. Great color. This Leota dress with a snow leopard print. It's unlined but has a waist tie. This Maribel Island Park chiffon dress in black with white polka dots. It's lined but has no pockets. This Mira Lane V-neck swing dress in this beautiful green color. And then the last item was this East Adeline skirt. And so I tried the East Adeline skirt with the Bobo tank top. I really liked the pattern on the skirt, and the tank top was very cute and sheer, but the skirt itself just sat in a funny, odd place on my waist, so I decided not to keep this item. I really liked this Marybelle Island Park chiffon dress. In fact, this was my favorite item of the whole box. Well, one of my favorite items of the whole box. And I decided to actually keep this dress. I really like it and think that, I can pair a lot of jewelry with it. This Mira Lane V-neck swing dress was actually my other favorite item in the whole box. I really love the green. It was so very striking, but it just hanged at my waist in some really odd places, and unfortunately is not one of the dresses that I decided to keep. This dress was also really cute. The Leota dress with snow leopard print. Just the print in itself was very cute. There was a tie waist to it to be able to create the type of silhouette that I like. But it was not one of the items I decided to keep. So thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun with my very first Dia & Co box. Of the items that I was sent, I am only going to keep one of the items, and that is the black dress that had a V-neck and the white kind of chiffon polka dot skirt. Felt that, for purchasing an item, that it would be a good addition to my closet, that I could be able to wear it to different kinds of events, and while being able to like switch up my accessories to kind of give it a different look every single time. In regards to what I thought about the Dia & Co subscription service, styling service, I think that it's a really great service for wanting to have somebody else's perspective on what your style, could be, and in providing some clothing items to be able to try out. I thought that was very fun. There were definitely some items that were in the box that I don't think I would have personally considered for myself or selected for myself. So I really appreciated that aspect of the styling service. And I'm looking forward to giving it another try and trying out a second box and seeing what Dia & Co send me. If you use Dia & Co as a service, as a styling service, I would really like to know what your feedback is. So go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And I would really love it if you would subscribe to my blog. If you like this video, if you like Dia & Co, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Sign up for notifications so you can see my next video. All right, thanks everyone.